It was Christmas Day. We were at my grandparents' house. Everybody was eating their dinner, and my sister...
A flood warning has been issued for Cecil County, Hunterdon County, Warren County, Berks County, Bucks County, Chester County, Lehigh County, Montgomery County, and Northampton County, effective until 4:45 a.m.
He started crying.
Well, why don't you have tests at your school? I say, well, we have teachers like Rich and Karen and Katie and...
A flash flood warning has been issued for Hunterdon County, Warren County, Berks County, Bucks County, Chester County, Lehigh County, Montgomery County, and Northampton County, effective until 2:53 a.m.
People that are here gravitate towards this school.
I don't want awkward silences. I want a little bit of personality. If you make a bad joke...
A tornado warning has been issued for Hunterdon County, Mercer County, Middlesex County, Somerset County, and Bucks County, effective until 12:34 a.m.